And this new leader, Mr. Neil Wilson, he didn't understand my working schedules and all of that. But luckily, Tony said, don't worry. She has proven herself. You don't have to worry about this one. So I said, fine. But in 2008, he asked me if I don't want to take on more responsibilities in terms of BEE, our Black Broad-Based Black Economic Empowerment, and then also training and development. And I said, yeah, that's fine. But then I had to decide, I can't do both the wedding photography and the HR work. So I said, okay, it's a good season for me to finish off with the weekend work. I can still do have the freedom at home with the kids, but now I'm going to learn more about this BEE and training and development with the normal duties of heading the HR department. Then in 2010, this Mr. Wilson asked me to start a business. And I thought, this Englishman is trying to set me up for failure. Because why would he want me to start a business? I'm in HR. I'm not an entrepreneur. I'm here to build kings. I'm not here to be a king. So I said to him, Mr. Wilson, you are setting me up for failure. And he just laughed it off. I thought, okay. First thing I did, I drove to my friend from the USA. She's my best friend, like a sister. I drove to her because she's back now in South Africa working as a CA. And I said to her, Andre, listen, I need to start a business. Don't you want to join me? Because I know that you also want something on the side. And that's how Doroela started. So we had to do the training for this group. And the name Doroela means a gift entirely from God.
Say it again.
A gift entirely from God.
A gift entirely from God. Okay, beautiful. What a great... Now, does everybody that hears Doroela know that that's what it means, or do you have to explain it?
Well, we have to explain it to the ones who ask. But if we're just in a normal setting, we will just say it's a gift entirely. Because we're very diverse here. And as you said, in HR, you don't talk about God in business.
That's the rule. I never abided by it, but that's the rule.
Yeah, exactly. So we started Doroela in 2010, 2011. We did majority. We just did classroom training. That was the norm then. And then when I was on maternity leave, amazing things happened to me while I was on maternity leave. I wish I could be pregnant again, but I can't. But in 2011, on my maternity leave, we then launched our website for Doroela, and we launched our first online training program, which was revolutionary then. You can just imagine. But
yeah, that would be very, very cutting edge at that time.
No, we did it. So this season was great, Mike. I developed a culture assessment tool for the business, and to me, it shows the heartbeat of an organization. So that's how I sold HR to executives. I designed this scorecard, the organizational scorecard, culture assessment scorecard was measured in terms of leadership capital, human capital, process capital, client, and then social and environmental capital. So we could see exactly how the heart was beating, where it dropped. Say, for instance, it was a good year, arrogance started creeping in some of the teams, and we could just intervene immediately with easy interventions. It didn't have to cost a lot of money. It might have just been, let's have a hard talk with a group of people around the table. Yeah.